Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install APK files on your iPhone. Are you looking for a quick guide how to install APK files on your phone? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so install and open an APK file on your iPhone. Follow these steps. So note 1, this process may be complex and potentially harmful to your devices. Be careful. Note 2, make sure you purchase and install the AmSign and unzip the app. So again, this is an AmSign video. Discretion, right? So download the APK file on your phone. So once that's done, go to the downloaded file on your iPhone, tap on hold the APK file on the share button, and go to unzip app. Once the APK is open in unzip app, tap on the icon besides the APK. Tap rename and change its name to payload and tap OK. Again, tap on the icon and tap on modify file extension. Change the file extension from APK to IPA and tap on OK. You need to do this so that you can open and install the file to your iPhone. Tap on the icon besides the APK file, tap on send/open in. Tap on the AmSign app to open the payload.ipa file. From AmSign, tap on the payload.ipa file and untap on install APK iPhone. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.